All right, we are back and we are talking about cell division and fetal development. So, there's a great article that is posted in Google Classroom called Mitosis When Cells Divide. It is a really great read about learning how your cells regenerate or divide. So, all your cells have 46 chromosomes, and 46 chromosome cells divide by a process called mitosis, but reproductive cells only have 23 chromosomes. Why? Because when a sperm cell and an egg cell meet, they can only have 46 chromosomes. So, basic math here, you divide 46 by 2 and you get 23. So, sperm and egg cell only have 23 chromosomes. When they come together, it totals 46, and that is the beginning of new life. When this happens, it happens during fertilization, when that sperm and egg cell unite. This is most commonly done through sexual intercourse. Sexual intercourse is when the male erect penis is inserted into the female's vagina, and ejaculation happens when that semen comes out of the head of the penis, and that semen is released into the female reproductive system. If you have more questions about sexual intercourse, please ask the grown-ups at home because they are going to be the ones to tell you what they want you to know about that. But in general, that is what sexual intercourse is and how new life starts. It also, this meeting of the sperm and egg can happen through artificial insemination, through fertility treatments, and this is so common for individuals to go through now. So once you have that 46 chromosome, it is the blueprint that built you. So, fetal development. So, starting off, there are 3 trimesters during a pregnancy. Again, trimester, pretty obvious. The first one is weeks 1 through 12, the second is 13 through 27, and the last trimester is 28 through 40 weeks. So, a pregnancy, or the growth of that baby, is going to happen over about 40 weeks. And there's a lot of different things that happen. So, once that cell or those cells combine, the sperm and egg cell combine, that egg will implant itself into that thick endometrial lining that's that normally sheds off during a period. Instead, that egg is going to embed itself in that, and it's going to grow all of these amazing things to help grow a baby. So it develops something called the placenta, and the placenta is a vital organ that helps keep that baby alive. That's how that baby gets all of its nutrients. A lot of people say, well, what mom eats, that baby gets. Yes and no. That baby is not eating a cheeseburger, it's eating the nutrients that are provided by the cheeseburger. Or if whatever mom eats, those nutrients are going into mom's bloodstream, and then the placenta picks up those nutrients from mom's bloodstream, passes it through something called the umbilical cord, and gives it to the baby. There's also something called the amniotic sac. That's kind of that little white bubble kind of thing that that baby is floating around in. And then also it's in amniotic fluid. That helps keep that baby cushioned, safe, and protected while it is continuing to grow. Something else happens, the mucus plug begins to develop, and that's within the cervix. And that helps to keep any bacteria or anything out of the uterus to help keep that baby healthy and safe. We're going to continue talking about this in another video, but please feel free to ask questions as they come up.